Okay, we're just finishing up breaking our delicious strawberry cake mix. I went ahead and used just a Strawberry Supreme Perfectly Moist. Oh, that's my favorite kind. All right, you guys, now we're gonna grab some frosting and we're gonna pour this frosting all over this cake mix that we just broke up into all these tiny pieces. Look at how delicious that looks. That's what I'm talking about right there. We want to get all of that frosting out. Perfect. You want to start to mix together the cake now with all of that frosting. Once it's all mixed up, smooth out that top and kind of smash it down a little bit, just condensing all of that cake and frosting together. Holy cow, you guys, have you ever had a cake pop before? They are so amazing, but sometimes I find that they're difficult to make. So we're making them into bars. We are making some simple and easy cake pop bars. That's what I'm talking about. How fun for Valentine's Day. All right, so I have some melted chocolate here, and I'm gonna do the same kind of thing as I did with the frosting. I'm just gonna come in and carefully pour that over the top. I want a nice thin layer of this milk chocolate. Now, of course, I would love for you to share your variations of what you would do with this treat in the comments. I would love for us all to come together at that. How fun would that be? And just kind of see, I'm going here obviously for like a chocolate covered strawberry feel. I think that is going to be so delicious, but I'm up for options. All right, let's smooth all of that over the top, covering all the cake. And look at how smooth and nicely this just glides right over. I used about 2 cups of melted chocolate. Also, I'm just gonna pop this in here so you guys can see. This is my favorite kind. I love the Ghirardelli milk chocolate. That's what I go for. I use 2 bags of this. But you know, any type of melting chocolate really works best. And once again, I just used 2 cups melted, and look at that, fits perfectly over the top. That is the special number there. Okay, so to jazz this up for Valentine's Day, we're gonna have to add some heart sprinkles. Dump that in my hand here, and I'm just gonna look at that. Oh my goodness, and it's gonna look so cute after this chocolate starts to harden up, and we get to cut in a square of that, and we're gonna have these pink and red little hearts and on top, and then we're gonna have the pink cake mix. Oh, I'm in love already. These are gonna be so cute. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of these little ball Valentine's Day colors I have here. Pour a little bit more in there. Look at how tiny those are. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so we'll just kind of put those on top. Those work so good together. Oh, look at that. Just a little bit, that's all we need. Okay, you guys, check this out. You can see that, ooh, that strawberry cake with the frosting, and then we have the chocolate on top. The top is gonna harden, and so is the frosting is gonna solidify with that cake, just like a cake pop. So stick around, I'm gonna slice a bar out in just a couple hours, and it's going to be off the chain delicious. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am on the edge of my seat. I seriously just don't wanna wait any longer. These could probably definitely sit in the fridge for longer, but I really, really want to give these a try. So I'm just going to go in and cut a big bite right here. Just cutting through all of that chocolate. Oh, this looks so good. All right, let's see if I can just come in here and get a good square. Oh, perfect, it's lifting right up. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's like the strawberry cake pop layer, and then we have the chocolate. Wow, that looks so good. Mmm. Wow, the chocolate strawberry combo, winner. Have you guys ever tried a cake pop? This is such an easy version. Oh my goodness, I love the chocolate and the strawberry. Of course, there's other options. Share with me if you do something different. These are super good. You could cut them into small squares. Perfect, perfect little treat here. Oh, winner. Nailed this right here. Enjoy.